Welcome to Artwork, Art Home, Art Stories, and Art Education. In this video, I am providing explanation about the painters. Today we will talk about Emile Bernat Lacombe. Please like and subscribe my channel and share my video. Emile Jean Vernet Lacombe, born on 16 February 1821 in Paris, was a notable French painter recognized for his Orientalist subjects. He was the son of the prominent French painter Vernet and the great grandson of Claude Joseph Vernet. Growing up in an artistic household, Emile was exposed to the world of art from an early age, which significantly influenced his career path. His father, known for his historical and military scenes, undoubtedly played a circle role in shaping Emile's artistic vision. Emile Vernet Lecompte received formal training at the prestigious École des Beaux-Arts in Paris, where he honed his skill under the guidance of renowned masters. His education was deeply rooted in the classical tradition of the French Academy, which emphasized rigorous technical training and an appreciation for historical and mythological subjects. However, Emile's artistic installation soon diverged from these traditional themes as he developed a fascination with the exotic and the oriental. The 19th century saw a surge in European interest in the cultures of the Middle East, North Africa, and Asia, a phenomenon known as Orientalism. This cultural movement was characterized by a romanticized and often idealized portrayal of the Orient in art and literature. Emile Vernet Lacombe became one of the prominent figures of this movement, capturing the allure and mastery of the East through his vivid and meticulously detailed painting. His works often depicted scenes from everyday life in the Arab world, featuring vibrant marks, serene landscapes, and intimate portraits of local people. Warner's Licombe's attention to detail and his ability to capture his intricate patterns and rich textures of oriental fabrics and architecture set him apart from his contemporaries. His use of color was particularly notable with the plate that brought his scenes of life and conveyed the warmth and vibrancy of the regions he depicts. Emer's Vernet Lacombe, a talent was quickly recognized by the art community, and he began exhibiting his works at the Salon de Paris, the official art exhibition of the Académie des Beaux-Arts, as early as 1845. His paintings were well received and a earned a reputation as a master of Orientalist art. His works not only appealed to art enthusiasts but also to collectors who were captivated by the exoticism and beauty of his subjects. Throughout his career, Werner's painting continued to draw attention and admiration. His works were acquired by significant collectors and institutions, ensuring his place in the annals of art history. Despite the controversies surrounding Orientalism in the modern times, with critiques about its portrayal of the East through a Western lens, Vernet's contribution to the genre are undeniable. His meticulous attention to detail and his ability to evoke the essence of the Orient through his art remain influential. Emerson led a life dedicated of his art, his passion for capturing the exotic and the beautiful in his painting remained a driving force throughout his life. He passed away on November 23, 1900 in Paris, leaving behind a rich legacy of Orientalist art that continues to be appreciated by art historians and enthusiasts alike. Image's work represents a fascinating chapter in the history of 19th century art. His contribution to Orientalism, characterized by his vivid depiction of the East, his exceptional attention to detail, and his masterful use of color, have secured his place as a significant figure in the art world. Through his painting, offered a glimpse into the world that, while romanticized, continues to captivate and intrigue viewers to this day. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my channel and share my video.